dumating na rin yung mga in-order ko for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Ito yung mga accessories for filming, and I got the multi-use magnetic mount for Osmo Pocket 3. And inopen ko na siya. So, ito yung pwede mong idikit sa mga metal figures for filming, especially sa matataas na bagay. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng mahabang tripod. And then, I also got this case, cute case lang for the DJI. As a girly na mahilig sa pink, sobrang cute niya. So, ilalagay ko siya mamaya sa DJI Osmo Pocket. So, nalagay ko na siya, and ang cute kasi it matches the Boya mic. Kulay pink sila parehas. Hi guys, so it's already 10 p.m. and kakarating lang ng package car from IKEA. So as you can see, ang bigat niya, and i-assemble pa natin siya. So come with me to assemble this shoe rack. So finally, after so many attempts and struggles, nabuo ko na rin siya, and nilagyan ko lang ng maliit na design. But I'm thinking if I should get a frame dito kasi medyo parang ang plain ng design niya. But anyway, nilagay ko na dito yung mga shoes ko and sandals. And so far, ang ganda ng quality niya. So I got a package. I think this is the Xiaomi smart clock. The smart clock with speaker. Tada! I got the Mi Smart Clock from Xiaomi, and this is powered by Google. So it comes with a charger. And then the clock itself. So cute, sobrang liit lang niya. Hey Google, what is the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Metro Manila it will be partly cloudy, with a high of 88 and a low of 76.
Hey Google, play Mantra by Jenny.
Alright, Mantra, Preview, by Jenny Kim. Here it is on Spotify.
Pretty.
얘기를 그런 식으로 하는 거예요, 박 교수.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's already 9:47 a.m. and today is Sunday. So medyo marami tayong kailangan na ayusin dito sa unit and linisin. So before that, let's have a quick haul for the things that I bought, Sanitary Japan, and some things that I bought online for the unit lang din. So let's start with this. This is a dish rack organizer. Mostly, yung mga nabili ko kasi sanitary is for pantry and bathroom. So, this is the dish rack organizer. Yan. Next, for pantry organizer naman, ito naman, lalagyan ko siya ng mga garlic, onion, and some vegetables lang. This one, oil. For oil. Medyo maganda yung quality niya. Glass din siya. And this one is the absorbent matte sponge for the dishes. Roll pan, egg roll pan. Shower curtain for the CR, mga divider for the CR. And then this organizer for the ref, soda can. So, takip ng pan and brush for cleaning CR. So, gagamitin ko na siya mamaya pang linis. And then, this rack, panlagay ko ng mga seasonings, mga collection ko ng seasonings. Asatita na rin. Yan, yun na yung ilalagay ko dyan. And this one is the cocktail glass ata to. Medyo maganda yung quality niya. Lastly is this one, basket para sa laundry lang sa CR. So, tsaka muna. So, next natin ay itong stand fan. So, I got Biga Arbor fan. Kulay white lang din ata siya. Set up. In-unbox ko lang yung side guys. And then this one, I think this is an organizer lang din sa bathroom. Mga lagayan ng shampoo. An organizer for my bathroom. So, dito ko ilalagay yung mga shampoo and some skincare products.